Now that we've set up this spreadsheet and the graphs, we can take it for a bit of a test drive and see what it's capable of doing. First thing is, if we come to this cell here, time increment, then we can change it, try different time increments. If we say 1 second for each increment, you can see we're now changing this to now a total of 20 seconds. The graphs have changed, so it says we're going 3 meters per second for 20 seconds, and this shows covering distance over 20 seconds. Now a total of 60 meters covered. So we can make that one any number we like. When we come down to this one, initial displacement, we could say, well, this time we started 5 meters away from the reference, and there, that's what that's doing there, starting at 5, now going to 20, whereas it was 15 before. We could even put a negative number there, -6, and here it is starting in the negative side of 0, coming along, going past the 0 point, and then going off in the positive direction. So once again, any number that we would care to put there. When it comes down to the velocity column, we can alter that, put a different number there, drag that down, say it was going 3 for a while, then it was going 6 for the rest of the time, and then that's reflected in the graph. Here we've got 3, then 6, and here we've got 2 gradients for displacement, so one gradient of 3 up to that point, and then the gradient changes, and we're now covering distance at 6 meters per second. We could put in a negative number there. We could say, what if it was -4, and that was our new uniform velocity, and we'd see that reflected in the graphs, 3, then -4. Here's 3 going one way, -4 coming back, passing the 0 point, continuing in the negative direction. We could put 0 here, so we stop for a while. There's 0, have a little bit of a rest, 3, then 0, then -4, and so displacement becomes going away from the reference point, stopping for a while, coming back, and continuing on. So you can try all different numbers and see what stories you can come up with.